Y'all getting warm yet? Y'all feeling the vibe yet? Alright, it's all about the artists who are backstage here ready to perform for you guys tonight.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Yeah, Empress Jollof, another place straight from Kingston. Well, as some of you may know, I do a little mix of dancehall, conscious dancehall though. A little mix of the one drops, enough reggae got into the place. And you know, of course, we're gonna do a little bob. And I might surprise you all with a little hip hop tonight. You understand? I'll see how that goes. Yeah, man. So that's what you can expect from Empress Jollof tonight.
Empress Jollof. It's really a pleasure to be here once again, paying tribute to a man like Robert Nesta Marley, because he's inspired so many of us, and no matter where in the world I've traveled to, I keep being in awe of how many lives he's really touched. And many of us grew up on the foundation of dancehall, but while I was in college I actually went back to the roots. And that's really where I found Bob and certain conscious music. So this song was inspired by Bob and all the messages that I was really soaking up through him. So that one in Rasta go on me. Yes, Jack up in the place, and that's how it is. Let me hear you say, higher level. What? I'm Mr. Rasta government. Right, all of the boom, lady. I'm Mr. Rasta government. Roots and culture, parliament. What? I'm Mr. Rasta government. Yeah, the philosophy of that we teach it. Yeah, I'm Mr. Rasta government. Laws of love and understanding. Organized where we are teach the youth stay. The whole history, not just a part about it. See a pretty geometry, open up the mind there. Cause we also activating the family. Kindness and joy for the next thing. The people coming together united. Standing firm, yes together we win. Unionizing and centralizing power. I'm Mr. Rasta government. Right, all of the boolade. I'm Mr. Rasta government. Roots and culture, parliament. I'm Mr. Rasta government. Yeah, this is the fear that we teach you. I'm Mr. Rasta government. Now you know a new ministry we call me. Ministry of love we are building. Ministry for drumming, ministry for dancing. Ministry for setting up sound system. Ministry of sport, that is the next thing. Paul and Jimmy in every community. Everybody sick, everybody empty. Paul and Jimmy to represent the people they call. I'm Mr. Rasta government. Right, all of the good God. I'm Mr. Rasta government. Roots and culture, parliament. I'm Mr. Rasta government. Yeah, the philosophy of the religion. I'm Mr. Rasta government. And to work out the confusion. Empress Jollof, Betty, got it wisdom. Now please I wake up the plan with solution. Love is the answer to all equation. The love that we live up to all our one. Hey, ancient wisdom is the laws of attraction. I'm Mr. Rasta government. Right, I'm a new daddy. Hey, I'm Mr. Rasta government. Roots and culture, parliament. I'm Mr. Rasta government. Can't be with us if you don't know what to do. I'm Mr. Rasta government. President of the Most High One. Empress Jollof in that place. And as always, President of the Most High One. We're on the next one, if you know, so that's such an amazing combination is this. But we, from the diaspora, come back and really have that romanticized vision of what we would love. This one is written very recently, it's called The Angels. Run it through there, select from the top. Until we woke up positive vibe. So the angels try their eyes. How good and how pleasant it would be. We forgot it's now. To see the unification of all Guyana, as it's been said already, what's it be done? We are the children of Rastaman. We are the children of Ayama. So Guyana, unite, unite for the benefit of your children. Guyana, unite, we're moving right out of Babylon, and we're moving to our Father's word. Yeah.
One Guyana, one love tribute to Bob Marley. Ja!
There you had it, my Guyanese people. It was all about the One Love, One Guyana Bob Marley tribute concert outside here at the Pegasus. Of course, we had a lot of great entertainment for you, and we're going to be doing it again next year. We want to say big ups to all the artists, big ups to all the promoters. You already know we represented for HGP TV. We outside and we gone until next year. Big up yourself, my people.
Get up, stand up.
Get your tickets now for the One Guyana, One Love tribute to Bob Marley showcase at the Pegasus Poolside on Friday, February the 7th at 7 p.m.
Get up, stand up.
Featuring Brandon Harding, Mark Batson, Prince Ali, Empress Ja Love, King Mandela, Beanick, Wi-Fi, DJ China, Carry and Correction Band, Lava Nile, and Ras Sebi, aka Bling Ras. MCs Melody Thomas and Ras Punchy. Music by Redemption Sound and Murphy One Man Band. Admission $3,000 in advance. Get your tickets at the Pegasus Hotel front desk and White Castle Fish Shop at Hadfield and John Streets. For more information, call 661-2976. It's the One Guyana, One Love tribute to Bob Marley showcase.
Get up, stand up.